Hey creators! Did you know that Filmora 14's new AI features can help you create high-quality social media content in just a few clicks? With tools like Smart Scene Cut, Smart Short Clip, AI Enhancer, AI Portrait, Smart Background Music, and Multi-Camera Edit, you can streamline the entire editing process. Combining all these features makes editing simpler and more efficient. In today's video, we're excited to show you how to bring all these awesome features together to create a fantastic social media short. So stick around and let's have some fun! If you haven't installed wondershare Filmora yet, head to the official website to download the latest version and install it on your computer. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's create a high-quality gaming short. We have a bunch of gaming footage and want to extract the best parts to make a concise video. To do this, we will use Filmora's AI Smart Scene Cut feature. Here's how to proceed. Open your footage and look for a small icon to launch the Smart Scene Cut. Click on Start, and the AI will automatically select the highlights for you. After the highlights are selected, click on Add to All, then click on Edit on the timeline. You can use this same method with your other footage to create additional highlights. Finally, don't forget to export your highlights to save them. In the next step, we will use the Smart Short Clip feature to create a short video from our highlight. Start by launching the Smart Short Clip feature, then import your footage. Next, select your preferred language and the duration for the short. You can choose any length under 60 seconds. Since this is a gaming short, select the theme Gaming and Sports. Finally, choose the aspect ratio in the advanced settings. Finally, select the template for your short. Like we are working with gaming highlights, so choose Game Highlights Editing option and click on Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will produce short videos based on the duration of your highlight footage. Additionally, you'll be able to see which short has more potential to attract viewers. Then, click on Edit for further refinement of the short. On Timeline, select the captions and change the style of the captions. Next, you can further text using the Titles tab. You can also add stickers from the Stickers tab and use the Effects tab to add some visual effects to make your short more engaging. To enhance the quality of the video, we will utilize Filmora's AI Video Enhancer. With just one click, the AI will analyze and replace the existing footage with higher quality footage. At the final step, export your footage at a higher bitrate for better quality, or you can upload shorts directly to your social media account. The entire process of creating high-quality shorts takes less than 5 minutes. Thanks to the new AI features in Filmora, your workflow becomes simpler and more efficient. To discover these new AI features, download the latest version from the link in the description and explore a world of possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more visual effects, tips, and tutorials, visit filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.